Hello, dividend executives. Welcome back. Another week. We are trading in the traditional IRA, a small account to showcase some smaller plays. As you know, we recently switched this account over to the mining stocks, and we finally got assigned. So after 2 weeks of selling cash secure puts on CleanSpark, we got assigned some shares. So I want to go over it. We also made a $250 deposit, which you can see here on the contribution side of things. And we are ready to rock and roll. So we sold some covered calls this morning. You can see that the portfolio was screaming this morning when CleanSpark opened up. It's recently pulled back, but we got some covered calls out there, and we got some income coming up. So what do we have going on in the portfolio? Right now we have some CleanSpark. We are down 344 on the position. But we have 215 shares. I bought some odd lots. I lowered our costs, and I'll continue to buy more if we continue to go down. But so far, things are looking good. At least on the call side of things, things are looking really good. Bitcoin's looking good, and we made some income. So what happened? Well, we got assigned some CleanSpark over the weekend. Currently, it's our only position. Let me go down to the history. We'll talk through it. You can see it right there, right? So we've been selling some covered calls, cash secure puts recently. Right here we have, let's see. So we sold, I can come back quite a bit, but we sold, and I need to update the spreadsheet here a little bit here, but let me pull up the traditional IRA on this. You can see we sold CleanSpark put here for the $45. We sold another one here for the $70, and then we were assigned at the $17 strike, so it cost us $3,400. CleanSpark was at $15.60 at assignment, and that's just the way that stock moves. It moves like crazy. There's a lot of volatility in it, but I think it'll be a good ride for 2024. So this morning we opened up. We sold a covered call for $41 a contract, which we got $82 in premium, which is really awesome. And then we started buying some odd lots, right? So we got $82 worth of premium. I instantly went in and I spent $85. So basically all the premium we made, I bought some shares at $15.53. We lowered our cost basis. Then I deposited another $250 into the account, bought some more shares just a little bit ago for $15.37, almost 10 shares. And that's where we're sitting now, right? So we have some more shares of CleanSpark. Currently we are sitting at 215. Our average cost is $16.89, and our cover call is out there at 17, which is our assignment price, right? So if we get called away, we have a little bit of share appreciation. We have some odd lots on the side, and we got paid $82, right? So not too bad. We did sell this Riot put. We sold it back on, let's see the date we sold it up. So we opened this up on 4/1. We were paid $19 on this, and it's potential that Riot could get to the 9.5 strike. It's sitting at 10.07. I don't know if it's even gone that low. I'm trying to think if it's even gone that low before in quite some time. Yeah, it's pretty much stayed around that $10 mark. Let me go back a year. So it's possible to get there to the 950. It did hit it back in October 2023. But I think it'll be okay. If we do get it at this strike, we'll be okay. We could sell the call at the 9.5 for $73. So not too bad if we end up getting assigned there. Not too worried about the 9.5. Some juicy premiums there. And if we do it, we will cross that bridge. So we have the 9.5 out there. It's for the 19th. So not this Friday, but the following Friday. And we have plenty of time there. So it's down on the position right now, but we don't care. We are trying to buy stocks for cheaper than the price they are. If I do get assigned the 9.5, it's cheaper than the current price now. It's cheaper than the price I sold it at, and we got paid the $19 to buy that. So we're sitting out on the Riot. We do have a little bit of cash, 140 buying power left in the account. I'm going to keep that as some dry powder. If CleanSpark continues to dip, then I'll continue to buy some more. Just a look at this. It's down. CleanSpark's down 10% for the week, 21% for the month, up 50% for the past 3 months. And then for the past year, 533%. So overall, the stock looks really good. I still think we have a lot of poise to run on this, and I'm going to trade it tight, and I'm going to try to get back to cash as soon as possible. Hopefully by the end of the week, we can be back up to the 17s. If not, we will continue to roll it and collect those premiums. So that's that. I want to jump into the spreadsheet here a little bit. I ended up bringing this over here just so you can kind of see some of the data. I should have brought more data over from my main spreadsheet. But this at least shows you a little bit of the data that we're looking at. We have some March data and a little bit of April data. I wanted to grab the minors. We've been selling obviously some covered calls and some cash secured puts. And so I want to showcase that. So you can see Clean Spark and Riot are the ones we've been selling covered calls and cash secured puts on. And these are the lots, the expiration dates, and obviously the current price. So we sold the 1750, the 11 on Riot, the 17 on Clean Spark. We got assigned on that one, and then we have the 9.5 out on Riot currently. These are the premium collected. Obviously we have puts, and then we have the one call. The premium collected 45, 62, 70, 19, and 82. A lot of them we let expire. We were assigned on this one, and then you have two that are in progress right now. And then you can see here the capital at stake, it was $3,400. That's a 2.4% return. When we were assigned, it was $3,400, and it was a 2.1% return, so pretty good on the trades. And then just a quick pivot table, so you can see the overall. So far, we've made $197 trading Clean Spark on options and $81 trading Riot. So a grand total of $278 trading on these two accounts, and 5 total contracts. That's including puts and calls. So those are the trades we have. That's what we have on the table for now. Keeping it super simple. If we can do 1 to 2% every week, that would be absolutely superb. But that's what we're sitting at the account. Those are the plays we have in for this week. We are selling right at the money of where we were assigned. We bought some odd lots, as we always do. If the stock goes down, we always buy odd lots, and so we did that. And we'll continue to add money if we need it. But if not, I'll just be taking the cash secured put income and the cover call income, and I'll be adding it to this portfolio, and I'll be buying more stocks. So that's the update for the week. Wanted to get it out here quick. I know a lot of people have been wondering. So that's the update. Thank you, everybody, for always tuning in. Thank you for the likes, as always, and happy investing. We'll catch you next week.